So guys, we come to a next part of for cyber forensics and digital evidence. Cyber forensics can be divided into two domains. So one is a computer forensics and another one is a network forensics. The crime which happened within the computer and the crime that happened to a network. Okay, so how you can define it? Computer forensics is for how the forensic person will do it. Things that you can do is you can data recovery, evidence collection, and you can do the analyzation on the digital devices. When it is forensic with a network, he can analyze the network traffic, what is the incident detection, what are the security measures that we need to take. So now forensics looks at network activity like internet traffic to find out what really happened in a legal cases. It helps to protect the people and systems from the attacks, privacy breaches, and other network based crimes. The digital evidence is different from the physical evidence. It is much easier to change or fake it. So you can make perfect copies without hurting the original. Making to feel that copy itself is a real one. It's often stored as a clone or an image of a device, which makes it easier to preserve. Important clues can be hidden at the different levels within the data. Knowing these differences is a key to doing a proper digital investigation and keeping a good chain of custody. Cyber crimes comes in many forms, which including sexual harassment, embezzlement, corporate espionage, and fraud. So sexual harassment is like evidence by which include memos, letter, emails, and chat logs. Embezzlement evidence may which include the office spreadsheets, memos, letters, emails, and online banking records. Corporate evidence may include memos, letters, emails, and chats. The fraud evidence may include memos, letters, spreadsheets, and the emails. Computer forensics helps to investigate these crimes. Experts can recover the data from these kind of files. The files are standard files, can be hidden files, deleted emails, encrypted files, passwords and login IDs, and the deleted files, edited emails as well as the deleted files. Evidence can be found on it can be found in computer systems, or it may be on the files, or it may be user created file or user protected file. User protected file is nothing but the user has given a password to the files in order to view the file. The computer and the files which are generated by the computers, and it can be the evidence can be found in the network by looking at the traffic which is coming to the network, the packet from where it is coming from. So all these things you can able to get the evidence. Okay, in computer system it can be in hardware components or through in software complications. You can get computer generated files are like log files, backup files. User created files means it can be text files, Excel files, media files, anything. User protected files is encrypted data and password protected one. Computer network means it is concentration is on a traffic data and the network protocols. Okay, different places where the computer forensic experts which can identify the evidences. So one is with the computer storage. In that computer storage, he can get the information from the logical file system. It can get the information from the RAM or the physical storage media. Logical file system is which gives you an idea about how the data is organized on a computer, where it includes the files, folders, directories, file allocation table, similar structure, clusters, partitions, and sectors. The image which I have already, so it will be in a circular manner. It is like your CD copy. So where it consists of the files, folders, directories, file allocation table, how the files got allocated in which portion of the memory, all this information, and how many sector in that platter we will divide it into sectors. So how many sectors got divided, how many partitions has been done. So all those information will be provided. So that we name it as a logical file system. So next you have a random access memory is a temporary memory. So temporary memory means which you use to hold the data for temporarily. So it can be useful in the investigations. Physical storage media is this physical hardware stores the data like hard drives. Even overwritten data might be recoverable using the techniques like magnetic force microscopy. Slack space, unused space within the file due to the fragmentation, unallocated space, areas on the storage device that are not currently assigned to any file. Next, what are the types of data that you have? User created, computer based, is already discussed there, right? So this is this about the types of data. User created one, address books, audio files, calendars, database files, spreadsheets, emails, internet. So all you can read it. So computer created backups, cookies, configuration history, log files. So all those things. Computer networks means like application layer is with the with application specific protocol. Transport layer, it is about how the transfer rate data management. Network layer, how you are navigating, how you are giving a path to your packet to reach to the destination. Data link layer, how your link is getting connected to the other device wirely. So in that we will be checking with all the which digital forensics can get the information from all these layers. So this image will give you a pictorial representation of it. So this completes your forensic and digital evidence. Then we'll move on to the digital forensic life cycle.